scalping strategy with LuxAlgo Premium. In this video, you will learn how to scalp like a boss. A lot of you guys ask for this, and today I will demonstrate the LuxAlgo Premium scalping strategy on crypto. And for the demonstration purposes, we will be trading 5 minute, 1 minute, 3 minute, and all data will be coming from the Bybit Bitcoin USD. So let's go over to chart and see what we have here. We have a signals and overlays, we have a price action concepts, and of course we have fine-tuned everything. I will reveal all the settings that I am using currently, but for now let's just focus on how this thing works. In my chart you can see this trend line. This is what we will use mainly, and we have a fair value gap here, and we have signals here. We have our mark the previous day low, the previous day high. We have our confirmation indicators, and we are so ready to trade. So how this thing works: before we took any position, we need to get signal. This is the first rule, and after you get the signal, you will confirm everything with your confirmation indicator. For example, here we got a 2 classified buy signal, but our confirmation indicator, this one, is still on the red. So what you will do is you will just basically pass this signal. As you guys know that the trend tracer and trend catcher is one of our best friends, but in this video we will be using the smart trail and the trend tracer. So let's deep dive how we will confirm the signal. Let's roll the market and let's see it on the action. So the market is ticking and we are waiting for a sell signal like this, right? So the whole smart trail is on the red, and what we got here is a 4 classified sell signal. If you don't know what is 1 2 3 4, I'm putting on the screen so you can see which number is the most strength. So we got a 4 classified here. Let's mark this up. So what you will do is you will confirm some couple of things. The first thing, the smart trail. The second thing, the bearish fair value gap. We got it. And the third thing is the trend tracer must be orange to take a short position, and you can see here that it is all blue. So what you will do, you will just pass this signal. I know it's a little bit frustrating to get a lot of these confirmation indicators, but trust me, if you don't want to get stopped out always, please use this strategy. But after you implement it, you can adjust as you like, but for the first time please do it as like me. So let's roll the market. We got a 4 classified buy signal and the conditions are nearly met. One thing is missing here, which is the smart trail must return to what? The blue. Let's roll the market to see if we got it or not, and you can see that just on time it returns to blue. What you will do, it's very easy. You will initiate your long position with the bar close here, and we can see that the smart trail just returned to blue after this bar close. So you can initiate your long position here. Let's say you got the fill here, and you will put your stop loss to just under this fair value gap in case the market is pulled back, and you will target 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. That's it. That's how you will manage the trade. So let's make a quick recap here. We got a 4 classified signal, and after 1 2 3 bars we see that the smart trail returns to blue and the trend tracer is blue. All you need to do is just initiate your long position. We got our all bullish fair value gaps. We see here that the market starts moving, and this is when we want to initiate our position. You don't have to take 100 trades in the one session. It's not scalping, it's gambling. The scalping means that you will wait for perfect setup, you will take your money and leave. This is what we call scalping. And I would like to show you one more thing here. This is the new thing that I am using, especially in the scalping. We have this trend line over here, and this is coming with the price action concepts indicator on LuxAlgo. It is very helpful. Why? Because if you want to maximize your profits here, you can use this trend line. And how you will do is, let's say you initiate the position here, and you can ride the trade until this trend line got broken. Let's say you initiate 2 contracts here, you can close when it hits the 1 to 2 risk reward, and rest of it you can move your stop loss to break even, and you can ride the 1 contract until this trend line got broken. Easy like that. With that way you will increase your profits significantly. So let's roll the market. Let's see when this trend line got broken, and we got a 2 classified sell signal over here, and we can see that this trend line broken with this red candle over here. So you can carry your position up until here, and it will give you very sweet profit. The next signal is appeared on our chart. We got a bearish fair value gap. Let's check the conditions together. The market is ticking. What you will do, you see that the market has been tanked, right? Depending on our rules, we initiating our short position here, but in that scalping scenario you have to wait, because the smart trail is still blue. We broken the trend line, that's correct, but you have to wait because at least one of this confirmation indicator should return to red. What you can do is you can enter a short position with the retest of this fair value gap. Let's say the market has been tanked and it's come inside of this fair value gap. This is where you can initiate your short position and you can target this swing lows. Easy like that. In that scenario we didn't get some kind of a price action, so we passed this. Let's roll the market. So we got a 4 classified buy signal here. The smart trail is blue and we have a bullish fair value gap over here. What you can do is you can initiate your long position with very aggressive stop loss. So let's say you enter a position here, right, with the bar close. You can put your stop loss to this swing low, and we will target, like always, 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. Let's roll the market if we get stopped out or not, because one of our confirmation indicators is still in orange. But what we do here is we see that there is a bullish fair value gap, the smart trail is bullish, and we just broke this trend line. So this is another confirmation for us. So if just one of them is not sweets, we can accept this. Let's roll the market to see if we get stopped out or we banked. We have banked this position also. Congratulations, that was a very nice trade. That was risky, but what we did is we put our stop loss in a very aggressive way. In a normal scenario I will put my stop loss here or here, but what I did is I put it here. Why? Because one of our confirmation indicators was red, so that's the reason. And you can close the position like always in the 1 to 2, and you will move your stop loss to your break even. Also you can trail your stop loss with this strategy, because we are scalping. We don't want to see that market just pull back in just like this. So what I can suggest you is, when you see these last confirmation indicators also returns to blue, you will trail your stop loss. Let's say that the market has come over here. What you will do is you will just put your stop loss to your recent swing low. Easy like that. So in any case you will make money, and this is one of my favorite strategy, because you know, end of the day you will make money. Maybe it's a small, but the green is always green. So we will keep rest of the position until what? Until we see a sell signal or break of the trend line. Easy like that. I hope you guys understanding the strategy. It seems like complicated, but it's very easy. When you put it on your chart, you will understand very clearly, and you can use this strategy on the 1 minute, 3 minute and the 5 minute. It really depends on your risk appetite and how aggressive you want to trade. I found myself very comfortable with the 5 minute. I also highly suggest you test this strategy on the 5 minute first. Then when you get comfortable, you can switch down to 3 minute and the 1 minute. So what I would like to show you is now the settings of these beautiful indicators. The first settings that we will change is go over to your signals and overlays and enable the AI signal classifier, and my sensitivity is 13, and I have enabled the smart trail. Please be careful here. I changed this to 4. If you make it 3, it will be changing more aggressively, but if you make it 4, it will be more conservative, and this is how I like on my smart trail. And my trend tracer is 3, and I have enabled the classify as I told you so, and set it to 1 2 3 4, and I have enabled the trend streak. I don't use that much, but it's sometimes nice to see that, and that's everything I changed here. Also, I have disabled the candle coloring. I'd like to see the candles in their own color when I scalping, obviously. So that's it, just hit the OK button. Don't forget that we are trading crypto, and if you want to take it out your crypto next level, I highly suggest you check out to Bybit. They will give you an exclusive benefit if you just signed up with the link down below. And now let's go over to price action concept settings here, and I have disabled the volumetric order blocks. I have enabled the breakers here, and I have enabled the trend lines. It is very helpful tool in this strategy. I have enabled the fair value gap. I have enabled the daily, Monday and weekly, because sometimes when you enter a position you can target Monday low, previous day high or low. It is very helpful, and that's all the settings I changed here. That's it. So if you copy everything, just hit the OK button. Here is the bonus tip for you. If you want to fine tune your sensitivity in the signals and overlays, this is the most common question I get. This is a free bonus tip for you. Go to indicators tab and search for backtesting system from the LuxAlgo, and you will see signals and overlays. Click that your chart, and after you add it, the whole chart will reload this dashboard on the top right corner, and you can see that the win rates of this each sensitivity depending on your current time frame and the current market condition. And what it means is it will change regularly, maybe every day, maybe in every 4 hours, you can say. So depending on the market volatility, we are always changing our sensitivity. It says that you can make it 18, 19, 17 and 25, you can see, and the most trades here come 43 trades, and there is a win rate of 44%, which is very nice. And you can just adjust. If you just go over to signals and overlay settings, you can just easily adjust the sensitivity to 18, and you will get more accurate signal in the most efficient time. Easy like that. This was the bonus tip. I hope you find it helpful. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching those videos over here. Before you leave, hit that subscribe button, and until the next time, see you soon.
From the city to the beach, you plan a nice and reach. Trading stocks, making moves. I'm the boss at 3, 2, 1. Got the hustle in my blood.